Hi everybody! Guess what? Today is number 7. So, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get this started. I left the names over there, so hold on. Okay, without further ado, we have the winner for day 7. I hope you guys have been enjoying watching all of these gifts being given. So, the winner is Knitting Kitten 2, post number 109, and that is Sheila. Yay, Sheila! So let me tell you what you have won, Sheila. Sheila. Okay, whoops. So you are going to be getting the Hypnotic yarn, which is in the colorway Reindeer Food on her Treat Your Feet base, and it's 80% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 400 yards. I hope that it doesn't get blown out by the lights, but it's a beautiful, beautiful color. So that's one gift. Also, we're gonna throw in this Rapture Delicate Wash, which is in the Jasmine scent. That light is awfully bright. So anyway, you will be able to use that. Next up, of course, is the 6-piece crochet set that everybody has been getting. And then last but not least, you will receive, whoops, a digital row counter. You can use that to throw in your project bag so that you can have an extra counter. And really last but not least, is your project bag, which, what does it read, Jordan?
Create the life you can't wait to wake up to.
Create the life you can't wait to wake up to. How cool is that? So I hope, Sheila, you enjoy these prizes. Get in contact with me via Ravelry and we'll get those out to you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.